Good morning. My name's Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Well, I don't know. I've been a couple hours now hunting every bit of this 40 feet of water this morning. Nothing yet, but that's the way it goes. So I figured I'm really missing leaving that other thermos at home this morning. This thing's almost dry. It's been one of those kind of days, coffee day. So if one of you guys want to meet me at the boat landing with a brand new pot of coffee to dump in here, I'd be greatly appreciative. It is clouding in, so that's nice. It's cooler. I like that. I'd rather be cold than hot. Not a boat out here. It's what time is it? What is it? A little after 1 or something. I've been out here since first thing this morning. I have not seen a boat. That's great. That it's Friday to boot. Usually you start seeing boats on Friday. But not right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to make another big circle. That'll take me at least an hour, hour and a half. Circle this big hole. I'll cut across it once or twice. Then I'm going to head up the lake, put out some eel pods. Get them in before dark. And then we're going to let those soak for 5 days. 5 days from now, I will swing over there and pick them up. I have rotten white perch for bait because I lost my freezer a week ago. This right here is some very rotten bait. My freezer died 2 weeks ago. So the bait's kind of stinky, but anyways, it's got to go in that bucket. Before I caught it, it was too late. Except for a few packages down on the bottom, took the longest to thaw out. But oh well. So I took the bait, it was rotten, brought it up in the, I don't know, within seeing distance. Anyways, the crows have been loving the heck out of it. Yeah, crows been loving the heck out of it. Beautiful day out here though. Behind me is Canada. In front of me is the US. Hey, I'll wave. Hello, Teresa! Wave back, Teresa, if you can see me. The other person I know over there is Jason. Titan Trails. Hello, Jason! And I know two Pauls. But he moved. Must have been a little over a year ago now. He doesn't have internet anymore. He's so far back out in the woods. So, hello, Paul. Yeah. So anyways, I got a rabbit living under my boat back at the cabin. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a litter of little ones. I see her all the time. She never gets too far from that boat. The boat's upside down, so imagine it makes a pretty good spot for her to live. And then I've got, I forget the name of the bird, what kind of bird it is, but then I've got a bird's nest on one of the logs on the cabin, sticks out just a little bit. And so she's up there sitting on eggs. The boys are coming up next week, so that'd be kind of nice. They'll get to see the bird sitting on a nest. The rabbit's sticking around so much that nothing bothers it. I was out there mowing the lawn last night with a riding lawnmower. And that rabbit could care less. Sitting there watching me. Getting low on coffee. But I got a big jug of lemonade anyways. Or lemon water, we'll call it. Not really lemonade. But it is cold. I put it in these thermoses right out of the well. And it stays cold for a long time. Which is really, really good. It's been a slow day. Don't know, yeah, we had bright sun yesterday. Suppose that could have bothered them. I was on the road yesterday. I couldn't really fish yesterday. I had to go to town, get some gasoline, run these outboards. The outboard is back there right now. Been setting for 2 summers. I fired it up this morning for the first time. I'm gonna run it for the next 5 days. Worked the cobwebs on it, but boy, she's been purring like a kitten. What I like about the old motors is the adjustment screw for low speed. This is an 8 horse and it has an adjustment screw that sticks out the front of the motor so I can adjust it myself. You know, different things change how a motor runs. Mainly the temperature of the water. This time of year the water's really cold, so when you want to idle down, you know, you got extremely cold water going through that motor. So I can adjust that adjustment just a little bit, and boy, it really works good. The newer motor, they don't allow that anymore. It's factory set, and you can't even really get at the carburetor to even find. I don't even know if there is a fine screw adjustment anymore. It'd be nice if there was, I'll tell you. If there is, it'd be nice to know which one it is. Because that's a good motor, runs good, but sometimes it doesn't like to idle that great. You know, like for togue fishing, lake trout fishing, I need to go less than a mile an hour, mile and a half, mile and a quarter, sometimes even less than that. So it's nice to be able to set the adjustment screw to get the motor to run smoothly. You know, and still be idle down to almost where it wants to shut off. Well, you guys have a great day. I'm still fishing, and I will see you next week in the next video.